What is a hard money loan? Easy explain. A hard money loan sounds like just another real estate loan. You borrow money, put up property, and repay it later. That is the easy version, and it is exactly why people often miss the part that matters most. What makes this loan different is not just the money. It is the fact that the lender cares much more about the property itself than about your full financial profile. And that one detail changes how fast the loan moves, how expensive it can be, and why it can feel helpful at first but heavy late. What it is? A hard money loan is usually a short-term loan secured by real estate or another property interest. California's real estate reference book describes hard money loans as loans funded by private investors or lenders and secured by liens on real property. And major mortgage explainers describe them as short-term financing backed by a hard asset, usually real estate. In plain English, that means the lender is looking first at the value of the house, building, or investment property being used as collateral. Traditional lenders usually spend more time studying income, debt, and credit. Hard money lenders may move faster because the asset value is doing more of the work in the decision. How it works. Here is the easiest way to picture it. Instead of getting a long standard mortgage from a bank, a borrower gets a shorter loan from a private lender or private company. Chase says these loans are not typically offered by banks or traditional lenders, and Rocket Mortgage says they are usually provided by private investors or private companies. Because approval is more asset-based, the process can be faster, but the trade-off is usually tougher term. These loans tend to have higher interest rates, shorter repayment periods, and in many cases, interest-only payments followed by a large balloon payment at the end. That is why they are often used as temporary financing, not as a comfortable long-term loan. Where people use it, hard money loans are often used when timing matters. Common examples include buying a property quickly, renovating a home to resell it, or bridging the gap between one property deal and the next. Chase and Texas regulators both point to investor-style uses like purchase, rehab, resale, and rental property acquisition. That is why the term shows up so much in real estate investing. If someone plans to fix a property and sell it or refinance soon after improving it, a hard money loan may help them move faster than a traditional mortgage would allow. But that only works well if the exit plan is realistic. What people miss. The part many people do not hear clearly enough is that fast approval does not mean low risk. These loans are usually more expensive than conventional mortgages, and because the repayment timeline is short, the pressure can build quickly if the sale, refinance, or project does not go as planned. There is also a more serious catch. Since the loan is secured by property, default can mean the lender takes that property. Rocket Mortgage says hard money loans, like other secured loans, can let the lender take ownership after default, and Chase warns that borrowers could lose possession of their home if they fail to meet the terms. This is general info, not financial or legal advice. The real answer. So, what is a hard money loan in easy terms? It is a short-term real estate loan from a private lender based mainly on the value of the property used as collateral rather than the borrower's full credit profile. That resolves the big question from the beginning. A hard money loan is not confusing once you strip away the jargon. It is simply fast asset-based borrowing with higher cost and higher pressure attached. And once you understand that, the most important part becomes obvious. The speed is the attraction, but the risk and repayment clock are the real story. If you enjoyed the video, hit like, and I'll leave a video on screen that may be of interest to you. You can click it to watch. See you next time.